Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking paper that won't pill. 300 GSM cold-pressed works best because it holds water and pigment. Load 3/6 markers to avoid muddy mixes and set a blender or water brush beside you. Now make the first strokes. Lay a light wash with the marker, then quickly soften edges with a damp water brush to activate pigment. You're creating a base instead of solid color. This preserves highlights. Once done, blot a scrap to test how much water the paper tolerates. Once your base is set, build midtones by layering. Apply marker, then soften or leave crisp depending on the edge you want. For soft transitions, use wet on wet. Add water, then drop color into the damp area. For detail work, wait until the layer is tacky or dry so pigment sits on top. Make strokes with the marker tip angled for consistency, and use a clean water brush to feather. Make sure to space layers by 20 to 60 seconds so you don't lift previous pigment unintentionally. Finish by anchoring the piece. Add darkest accents with a fine tip and reinforce contrast so forms read at a glance. Once satisfied, let the painting dry completely before flattening or scanning. Glossy patches can be gently blotted with a clean cloth. If a hard edge appears where you don't want it, soften immediately with a tiny damp brush or lift pigment with a damp tissue. Work quickly. And if colors look muddy, glaze a transparent layer of a cooler hue to restore clarity and depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.